3 wide.
Fogelman wants to be anywhere but there, doesn't he? Give me the top, give me the bottom, anywhere but in the middle. And there's contact and an accident.
Was that
Looked like Lawless Allen there in the 45.
Dean Thompson. Michael, we just talked about him.
Jack Wood
also involved after
another truck that had been up front. This
tough
break.
start this year.
Eckes
Jack Wood.
got some contact as well. Well, Lawless Allen and Dean Thompson out of that Nice camp. Tough break for Eckes. He has had plenty of laps inside the top 5. In fact, has led a few today.
It's going to be a break for